KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Yeah, finally I could test a KTM Super Duke, and yeah, it really has a lot of power, nice acceleration, and it had a lot of wheel spin at the launch, and of course a lot of wheelies. And yeah, and I kept the traction control activated due to safety reasons, because I'm on public roads and it was very cold, very low grip, but it worked very well. And I guess without traction control maybe it could have been 1 or 2 tenths faster from 0 to 200, maybe, but it worked really well. And I have to say, the Quickshifter was working so well. I never had any problems. Really nice. Yeah, 100 to 200, below 5 seconds. Yeah, sometimes it had wheelies in 3rd gear. Really nice. And Quickshifter working so well.
German Autobahn.
Yeah, very good top speed for a naked bike, and it felt pretty comfortable and stable, I would say. Yeah, of course, a great roll-on, a lot of torque and low weight. That's really nice combination. Yeah, and starting from 5th and 6th gear, a lot of shaking. It doesn't like low revs, but it's okay. So have fun and ride safe.